Brandon with Davidson Audio, and today we have another install video for you all. Alright, so Mr. McCloud made the trip down to see us to get his Indian Challenger audio system done. This is the Riot Orange Dark Horse. Absolutely love this color. This is the first one that we've had in here in this color. Absolutely beautiful bike. So let's discuss what we're going to do, because this bike's about to go into the shop and get completely torn down. So we were doing one of our Davidson Audio 4-speaker audio packages. We were going to be doing the fairing speakers, the 6.5s, and he brought his OEM powerband 6.5-inch saddlebag lids that we're going to put on the rear. We're going to modify those because in the fairing we're doing our tried and true Cicada compression horn speakers, and in the lids we're going to go with a set of the Hertz coaxials to help 100% waterproof those lids. And as you already know, all of our equipment goes in the fairing, so no saddlebag space taken up. And we're going to do a couple little something different with the wiring harness. So this time to change it up for y'all. So we'll do a little walk around of the bike, and then the next time you see this bike, it's going to be done. Well, this bike is a wrap. Bill absolutely killed it on this install. I left him to get this bike completely installed and everything. Then I went ahead and did a final tune on it, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Let's get this turned around and walk you through everything that we did on this bike, give you a couple of test songs, and then Mr. McCloud's coming here in a few to pick up his... As I said before, this is the Riot Orange Indian Challenger Dark Horse. Absolutely beautiful color. Love this color. So we went with our tried and true Cicada Audio compression horn speakers in the fairing, and both of them. And then he provided the OEM lids. These are the OEM 6.5-inch powerband lids. We provided the grills because his dealership wasn't able to get them in time. And we went with the Hertz coax speakers. We like these because these are a much more waterproof speaker per se. So we do that to make sure we have the best chance of no water getting inside the bags. We pre-modified these lids for him, so if he ever decides to go with a compression horn style speaker later, you can just pull it out and drop it back in. And we soldered our wires directly to the terminal, make sure that they last and they hold up good. And then on this one, we ran our wires through the trough there, and then we have the connector behind the side panels. So that's, and obviously we have the amplifier and digital signal processor up in the fairing of this bike with our fairing shroud to ensure that it stays protected from any of the elements. Because if you've seen our fairing shroud video, then you know, due to the design from Indian here, it allows water down in there, so our fairing shroud protects everything in the fairing. So let's go ahead and give this a listen.
Let me walk They tryna mess with your mind or something. They tryna play with your grind or something. They wanna see you back off of your calling, yet they tryna mess with your shine or something. For lack of a vision and people compare, commit to the climb, even when it hurts. Only two things in life you can control is how you spend time and how hard you work. So hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. To the day I'm in the dirt, yeah. Jesus Christ is Lord, yeah. I know who I serve, yeah. And my life was hard, yeah. All my prayers were hard, yeah. So hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. To the day I'm in
All right, so we got Mr. McCloud here. He entrusted us with his beautiful 22 Indian Challenger in that Riot Orange. What are your thoughts?
So far, it's awesome. I can't wait to get it home unloaded, which will be later tonight. Hopefully, I can get some riding in before I go to bed.
Awesome. Well, he traveled from South Florida to see us, about 9 hours, he said. Can't thank our customers enough that make the trip up here and entrusting us with their bikes. So again, thank you very much, and we'll be seeing you. Hopefully, we'll go down south, do some riding with these guys, and go travel the south of Florida. So
head to the Keys.
Exactly. Well,
thank
safe
you very
travels.
much.
You have a good one.
Thank you.